Want to talk to your friends in Roblox voice chat but don't have an ID? You're not alone. In this 2025 update, I'll show you exactly how to enable Roblox voice chat without needing government ID, step by step. This method works on PC and mobile. And no, it's not a trick. Let's dive in. Roblox added voice chat to increase player interaction. But to keep things safe, they use age verification to enable it. Normally this means uploading a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license. But not everyone has one, especially younger players. So here's what you can try instead. Step 1. Use Roblox on a verified device. Roblox sometimes grants voice chat to accounts with a clean history and devices that have been used long-term. So make sure your account is over 13 years old, or says it is, no bans, no strikes, use the same device consistently. Step 2. Try the No ID mobile method, updated for 2025. Open Roblox mobile app, tap the 3 dots, go to Settings, click Privacy, look for Enable Voice Chat. If available, turn it on. Some users report getting this option randomly, even without verifying ID. This is called a soft rollout. Step 3. Use Roblox beta features. If you're in the Roblox beta program, you sometimes get early access to voice chat without full verification. Tips to increase your chances. Use the same email and phone number. Keep your account active and clean. Join Roblox dev forums or groups that are testing features. Use Roblox Studio. Advanced users often get access early. Play games that support voice chat. Some games may request access automatically. Don't use fake ID generators, that can get you banned. Don't download third-party Roblox mods. Many are scams. Don't pay for ID bypass. It's not real and violates rules. Stay legit, follow the settings we've covered, and Roblox may grant you access naturally. So that's how you can enable Roblox voice chat without ID in 2025. If you found this helpful, drop a comment like this video, and subscribe to AI Insight Hub for more legit Roblox and AI tricks every week.